We are back with a tech video. So guys, welcome back to Apple Tech Electronics. Please sit down and watch this video until the end. So today I want to show you how you can connect your smartphone to any TV, either it's a digital TV or it's a smart TV. So if you have a digital TV, I will show you how you can use Miracast device. It's an external device that you can use. Then if you have a smartphone that supports what we call smart TV, I'm going to start with that first. So I'm going to use tablets. It's a Samsung can support mirror sharing without any application. It has what we call smart view that you can use to directly share to your TV. So let's start with that, then later I'll do another video that will show you how to use an external Miracast. This is the smart TV that I'm going to use. It's an Hisense type, but any TV it can work, either it's LG or any other TVs, as long as it is a smart TV. So the step number one is to go on your TV and you go to inputs. Then you select what we call screen sharing. Once you go to screen sharing, then click OK, agree to terms and conditions, then confirm. Then it will give you this display. Then you need to go to your phone now. If you are using this Techno or any other phones, they don't have what we call smart view. Like here you see Samsung, they support smart view. So if you don't have these phones, just go directly to your Google Play and download what we call a Miracast. Google Chrome, it's called Google Chrome Miracast. So download that one and put it to your phone, then it will help you to do all these things. So go into your Samsung. If you have Samsung tablet, click here to smart view. Once you click smart view, it will give you this pop-up, meaning here it's searching for the smart TV. Now it has already finished. As you can see, it's showing you smart TV. Click here and you confirm down here. So I'm using Samsung, but as I've said, if you're not using Samsung, you need to first go to Google Play and download what you call Chromecast. It's called Google Chromecast. And then now you can see now the screen has been displayed already. It has shared. So if I invert my device like this, it will show you the same things as you can see. So this is the way how you can connect and share from this tablet to your smart TV. So anything you do from here, it can be displayed there. Then it has also a control from here. You can click here, then you make a control. If you want to use it as a presentation, you can also use this selfie video to show what you are doing right from here. Yeah, this is the way how you can use, either it's a smartphone. As long as it's a smartphone, it can do all these things. Then another thing, you can pause. For example, you can pause if you want to change something. You can do like this and you pause and you first do it after changing anything that you want. Then you also resume the smart view. You can also change the aspect ratio, as you can see. Yeah, so guys, this is the way how you can use your phone to Miracast or to do screen recording. So let me go ahead and I do another video that will teach you how to use external Chromecast to share to your digital TV. So don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the notification of this video. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.